Good morning, everybody. Skip Jeffries here, coming at you at a rainy Friday morning, I guess. That's the start of my weekend. But anyways, what does $75 get you in wipers? As you can see here, I've got a couple sets here. Plan on doing both vehicles. I mean, you could easily take it in and pay somebody 20 bucks plus part fees. Cost you about 55 bucks a blade. But the ones I got here for the Subaru cost just under 14 bucks. So about two of them, so it entails about 30 bucks. I mean, you save quite a bit of money. I mean, and then on the Hyundai Kono, we got 3 blades, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. So I mean, cost savings is there. I mean, the choice is yours. You want to pay somebody else to do it, have them do it. But that's a quick, easy process, and I'll show you how. On the 2006 Subaru, I mean, first thing I usually do is just kind of clean your windshield, the area around it. You don't want any new dirt getting collected on your old dirt collected on your new blade here. So now with your blades, it's a simple push down on these older models. This one here has actually got a release tab down here. So just hit your release tab, push down, it should just pop out. Now you really don't want to leave your windshield up, because if that sucker slams down, it's gonna hit your windshield and knock the crap out of it and actually crack it. So this one here is a smaller one. On the Subaru here, it takes a 20 and a 22. I mean, these aren't expensive windshield wipers at all. I mean, it's just mid-range, kind of lower budget. 13 bucks is what I spent on them. And it's just kind of reverse order when you put them back in. It's just lining things up and getting it to fit. But yeah, it's in. We'll hop on over to the other side here, and it's just kind of reverse order here. Now, people can too, if you're kind of reluctant about having the windshield or the wiper up there just kind of hanging out in free land. I've seen people use like a towel just to kind of give you a little extra support in case it does slip out of your hand and hit the windshield. Hopefully that doesn't happen. I did happen to bring a towel out here, but just didn't have it in the area. So like we did before, just a quick, simple clean of the area. We're doing this kind of quick because I've got an appointment I got to go to here in like 15 minutes. And I probably should have timed this and see how long it takes, but it's a pretty quick, easy process. I mean, if you wanted to, you could sit at the dealership and wait 20, 30 minutes. Yeah, maybe third time's a charm here. I'll give her another go. And yeah, what is going on with this blade? All right, I'll see if that works. There we go, it snapped into place. Nope. I'm thinking there's something wrong with this blade. There it goes. Didn't hear a click, but it is tight. Alrighty folks, I mean that's it. Quick, easy, and simple. Well, not so simple because you see me struggle with it, but normally it's not the case. I've replaced these in less than 5 minutes on this car here. I just don't know what the issue is with this. But yeah, it's raining outside. Figured best to get it replaced. And these weren't quite to the point where you needed to replace, but the rubber was starting to get hard and crunchy. And once you start doing that, it isn't long before they end up like on this Kono. I'll show you. It's pretty crazy, but quick and easy, folks. So anyways, folks, just a quick recap here. Notice I was having issues with that one blade. I guess that chalked up to being just a faulty little clip on it. So I mean, if you run into that issue, yeah, you could return it to the store, but if you didn't have that option, you can actually use the old one off the old one, just kind of pop it off and then pop it on the new blade itself, and quick, easy fix. Go ahead and head over to this Kona and get this done. Yeah, like I was saying before on the Kona here, we've got 2 in the front and 1 in the back here, so go ahead and get this quickly swapped out, make it kind of an easy process. We'll start off by kind of cleaning what we need to clean here. Like I said, it shouldn't take you no more than 5-10 minutes to get her done. Like I said, I wish I would have ran a stop clock here. I mean, but yeah, we'll go ahead and put a towel down here on the windshield here just to prevent it from smacking. Now on this Kona here, it's got a little clip in the front that kind of retains the blade itself. And then you just kind of push it down and snap it out. And I wanted to see, since this is the first time I replaced it on this thing here. Oh yeah, you got the weird conglomerate going on. Boy, these are some strange blades. I don't know what's up with these white tabs on this thing. Yeah, I guess they'll just pull off. That struck me as weird. First time I've ever seen that. Maybe that's to keep it on there. There it goes. That snapped in. Pretty close fit. We'll go ahead and knock out this other side real quick here, and then we'll head to the back and knock it out. So maybe not quite a 5-10 minute job, maybe 10-15 minutes. because you got to read the directions. So hopefully this other side goes smoother. All right, same thing on this side here. Should be pretty similar. I'll go ahead and clean off this window real quick. And like the other side, it's got a little clip on it here too, so we'll go ahead and see if we can pop that. Boy, got the child-proof containers on these things. Yeah, if you notice I'm talking a little funny, my run around this morning was going to the dentist to get a couple of chipped teeth fixed again here. You get 3 or 4 different types of clips with this thing here. And you got the funky little white end things on there. Jeez Louise, man. Alright, just the same as the other side here. We'll just hear it click. We should be golden. Alrighty, on to the back here. Maybe closer to, I'll say maybe 15 minutes worth of work, 20 minutes. Because I guess I got to go back and do all this cleaning that from the mess we caused today. So, alrighty, pretty similar like before. We'll go ahead and kind of clean off this area. Now these back windows are a little bit different. I actually had to go online and kind of see how they did this thing. I sat here and looked at it for a while, and you're definitely not going to figure out by messing around with it and fooling around with it in essence. Because to me, I would have probably broke it if I would have just did what they said to do from the get-go. So this one here, you do kind of want to have some kind of padding down on it, because this thing will snap back pretty easy. And I had to get mismatched blades on this one here. Michelin didn't sell it. So on this one here, like I was talking before, the reason why you need to replace your blades here, look at this one here, it's coming loose. So they say to grab it by the base here, and kind of give it a push up, so it kind of self-retains. Should be a reverse process. Yeah, that's it. So quick and easy, and you're done. But anyways, thank you guys for watching.